Hey everyone, welcome to the Whaler channel. Today I'll show you how to create group tabs in Opera GX. Open Opera GX and click Settings. Type Workspaces, then click Enable for Workspaces. Next, we need to create our workspaces. Right-click and select Manage Workspaces. Let's add workspace 2 or 3. Okay, click Create. Hold Ctrl, select 2 tabs, right-click, and move them to our new space. Let's click on Workspace 3. I'll move these 3 tabs to Workspace 2. Now I can switch between these tabs easily, like this one or that one. That's all for now. This was Whaler. Like and subscribe to our channel. Take care and goodbye everyone.